Hello Ride-On people, today we're going to talk about sticking things in holes. Now if you're anything like me, you've probably got a number of packs like this for fixing punctures when out on the road. The trouble is, they're quite heavy, quite bulky, and the problem is, you've got to find someone on the bike to carry those. Okay if you've got panniers, not so good if you don't, plus they're heavy and take up lots of room anyway. If you're a bit more organised, you probably have a smaller one like this, which is a little bit easier, lighter, smaller, easier to carry with you, but still not perfect. So what about this one? The AirPlugger. And my good friend Brian put me onto this one. This is super light, super small, and we're going to have a look at this one today, see what it's all about. I just love the size of this thing. Look how small it is, and what you can't see on camera is how super light it is. But it's so small, I can easily hide it just in one hand, said the bishop to the actress. And it's just really nice. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So when you screw the ARI AirPlugger apart, you have this little roll tube of bacon strips for putting in your tyre, and you have two simple tools, a reamer, I think is the technical term they use for that, for making sure the hole is nice and clean, and then you've got your kind of needle eye threader to put your bacon strip through and plunge it into your tyre. And what you do is these attachments here go through the little slot that's purpose built here to form a T-bar. So there isn't one in that one, there is one in this one. So you put it in here and then screw this up. I'll put the camera down and show you what it looks like when I've screwed it in. So I just want to point out at the tip there, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but there is an indentation here and also at the tip, and the idea is that they slot into the grooves here. And the idea is it sits in those grooves quite nicely, quite snugly, and even if you turn it upside down it won't fall out, but you screw the top back on it and that will secure it in place. So with the top screwed on it, you have a nice T-bar to ring the hole in the tyre, or with this attachment, put your bacon strip through there, and then you shove it in firmly, about kind of 3/4 of the way, so some of this will stick out of the tyres as well, and then you pull it back fast, and has a little slit in the end of that tool. Very hard to catch this on camera, but it has a little slit, a little groove, and it will allow the bacon strip to pass through that, and it will remain in the tyre. So perfect. So from another repair pack, I stole this tiny pair of pliers, this little cutter for cutting off the excess bacon strip, rubbering strap, and a bit of lube for tyre repair, which you use with the reamer that's in this kit here, and a couple of pairs of latex gloves, sandwich bag, throw it all in there. So this sandwich bag is a quart size Ziploc, and it's actually folded in half, it's so small, and it should fit in my tiny tail section area of the street triple. Let's see. Oh yeah, it sits in there effortlessly. It's tiny, hardly takes up any room. I've got room for extra things in there if I really wanted to. So it's nice to know that my puncture repair kit's in there, and if I use my small compressor I could fit that in there as well. So pretty impressed with the kit, especially as it's pretty cheap. So I can afford to buy one for my Street Triple RS and my 1300 GS. And with the GS, of course, even though I don't have panniers fitted, I've got a tail pan which makes things nice and easy. and just in this tiny little pack here, tiny little pack, see the size of my hand compared with this pack. It's got one of these AirPlugger tubes in here, and it's also got my Side Plus compressor in there, plus its USB charging cable and the lead from the compressor to the tyre to pump it up. And it's that small, would easily fit my street triple tail pack as well, if I want to take the compressor with me. And yeah, doesn't take up any space at all, so perfect combination. So another beautiful day in Georgia, end of November time, coming up to Thanksgiving this week, and blue skies and sunshine, and a couple of air pluggers, bargain price, and they'll do the job in a pinch. Brian's wife Elaine actually got a puncture a couple of weeks ago, and he used that very same kit to repair it successfully, and she's ridden a few hundred miles on it since, no problems whatsoever. So buy with confidence, and if you're stateside, have a great Thanksgiving this Thursday. I guess this video probably won't go out until after Thanksgiving, so it's a moot point, but I hope you had a good Thanksgiving, put it that way. And for the rest of you, I hope you enjoyed the Christmas holidays. And yes, I said Christmas, not the holidays, or you know, some other nondescript time. Whether you're religious, whether you're not religious, whether you're Christian, whether you're not Christian, it's still Christmas, right? Have fun, watch those Christmas movies, spend time with your family, drink too much, eat too much, have fun, relax. You've earned it this year. All right, ride often, ride carefully, ride out.